A bit earlier in the hour, we heard from 3 crisis nursery directors from all across central Illinois.
And today, we're giving you an inside look at one of those locations. Storyteller Erin is here now, and she visited the crisis nursery in Effingham.
I did, and it was so cool to go and meet those kids and see how this shelter kind of takes this place and makes it really bright and cheery and gives kids an awesome place where they can eat and sleep and play. However, staff told me they couldn't do it without the help of a pretty special partnership between the nursery and St. Anthony's Memorial Hospital in Effingham.
Well, I think it's a best of both worlds for both of us. It helps us to be out in the community and doing what our mission calls us to do, to take care of the health and wellness of our community, even outside of the 4 walls of our hospital. I'm Teresa Rutherford, and I serve as the president and CEO here at St. Anthony's in Effingham. You've heard the idea that no man is an island, or that it takes a village. Crisis Nursery and Megan and her team have brought to us something that is helping us meet and fulfill that. It helps us to meet a need in the community and to help families in crisis.
We provide, if you think of what a grandparent or an aunt or an uncle would do for a family, we fill that role for a lot of families, and it's a lot of prevention work. So while we do see families in major medical emergencies or psychiatric emergencies, we also are doing a lot of prevention work in helping families break that cycle. It's amazing what even a low or a small level of support can do to help a family, even if they need to go get groceries and need a break. My name is Megan Ruers. I'm the Executive Director for Crisis Nursery of Effingham County. Our relationship with HSHS St. Anthony's Memorial Hospital has been incredible. There really honestly aren't words that are big enough to describe how much they have held us up and made this program possible. From resources and support to actual, financial contributions to support our program, the hospital has just wrapped their arms around us and really helped to make what we thought was impossible possible for our community.
I love the concept of it being an island of safety because it is just that. It sits within our community, among the trees and in a neighborhood, and it allows our children to be well cared for.
I can tell you stories and stories of acts of compassion and kindness that allow us to keep our doors open and our services free, and there's no way we could do it without that. We will put a call out there if we're out of a certain size of diapers, and all of a sudden our doorbell will ring and our front lobby will be full of diapers. And it's those kinds of things that allow us to tell families, all you have to do is get here. You don't have to bring a thing. We have everything you need, and when you're in the middle of a crisis, that goes a long way.
Putting our children into a safe place at a time of crisis or stress in a family is actually a great way to demonstrate the love we have for that child. Our love for that child is about having and providing that supporting environment for them. We as a community are stronger when we come together to support this sort of activity, such as Crisis Nursery. And so the idea of giving, we are all very fortunate, and our financial and monetary support is one thing, but also if you go on the website for Crisis Nursery, they will have a list of things that they continually need. So in-kind donations around diapers or wipes or formula or other things such as that. So it's the perfect time of year when we are all so blessed and thinking about the gifts that we will be giving others to help our community and the families that need and use Crisis Nursery.
If you'd like to donate, mark your calendars for our Day of Giving on December 3rd, and tune into WCIA 3 and See It Living in the coming weeks for more stories on Crisis Nursery locations across Central Illinois.